Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hide public profile followers on Snapchat. While Snapchat does not provide a direct button to conceal your public follower count, you can effectively manage who sees your content. The key is to understand the difference between a public profile and a private account. By adjusting your privacy settings, you gain significant control over your audience. This approach helps you maintain a more private experience on the platform, ensuring only your approved friends view your activities and subscriber numbers. To begin adjusting your privacy, navigate to your Snapchat settings. You can find this by tapping the gear icon located on your profile screen. Once in Settings, scroll down until you locate the Who Can section. Here, you will find crucial options like who can view my story and who can contact me. For maximum privacy, set both of these options to My Friends. This ensures that only people you have added as friends can see your stories and send you messages, effectively limiting public visibility. Understanding the distinction between a public profile and a private account is essential for managing follower visibility. A public profile is designed to showcase your content broadly, automatically displaying your subscriber count to all users. Conversely, a private account ensures that only your approved friends can view your stories and interact with your content. Therefore, to effectively hide your follower count, the primary action is to transition your profile from public to private, giving you complete control over your audience. Beyond adjusting your core privacy settings, actively managing your audience is crucial for maintaining privacy. Regularly review your friend list and remove any connections you no longer wish to share content with. If someone is persistent or unwanted, blocking them is an effective way to prevent them from viewing your stories or contacting you. Always remember to share content exclusively with your approved friends. This proactive approach ensures that your Snapchat experience remains private and tailored to your preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.